Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team, account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
Hello my dear friends, how are you today? Our team again. Uploaded new fresh analysis of gold chart. So understand this in previous videos. Our team telling you our next target is 4800. So let's see about gold chart. This is our daily chart, look here. Really base drop supply area, higher high, lower low, Q1 zone with bearish engulfing. This is our really base, really demand zone. This is our demand zone with spinning top. Market retested and supply draw. Base draw breakout and again market made here. Resistance becomes support. Resistance becomes support and breakout. Resistance and supply area with bullish candle. Blue. So again market. Made here resistance becomes support, so our target is. Which one we apply here? Fibonacci. Breakout candle high to low. So our next target is. Look this see. 47864 8704 93 1. So this is our supply area. So I hope today market will be touch our supply area. And this is possible market go down from here. We will be wait here any reversal pattern in this area. Because there is a Fibonacci reversal area. 161. If market made here any reversal pattern here. So we will take entry sell. Otherwise gold is by now we check H for H1 chart.
Hello friends, how are you? These are all the subscriptions from our VIP, Telegram Gold, FX signals, and there are different types of discounts from our team so you can take advantage of them and join any of our subscription banks.
This is our H1 chart, so look here. Market retested and this closing. But closing it under the demand zone. Really base, really sold. This was SL hunting fake move. Look here when market start on Monday. So open with gap bullish pressure. So this is our resistance and supply area. Market breakout with bullish candle blue. Will we apply here Fibonacci here? So I'll see out, so we see our next target. Look 47 454 77 5th54 78 9. This is our next target of H1 time frame. And this is our reversal zone. Again, we wait here any reversal. So then we look. This is our first TP and reversal zone. Fibonacci of 161. Here we wait any reversal pattern. And our target will be this area. Resistance becomes support for a possible market touch here. Resistance becomes support. Then we see about again buy or sell. But currently our first target is this area. If market create here new reversal pattern, our team will upload the new analysis, so don't worry about it. Thanks, take care yourself. Remember, from our team account management service available. You can contact us via Telegram. And you can join also our so many type subscriptions with different type discounts. Thanks.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.